Hello and welcome to this week's episode. As you can see, we've got that to talk about this week. Welcome. So here we are, just to say, during the half term, I was driving the car and I had, to be fair, I did feel like it was going to happen because of what was happening in front of me, and then it happened, and you can see it did take an impact. When I was in the car inside, it felt heavier than this, right? And everything still works. You know, the good thing is all still works and nothing came through. It's not bent or anything like that. But yeah, I will show you the videos, and most of the impact I think was there. And I came out of the car thinking I was going to find a massive dent, and I came round like that and I couldn't see anything because I was looking down here, but then I saw a bit of that. And on here, I just want to share as well, one of the best things that Tesla have is the cameras. The cameras are very good. There is one at the back here and all around the car, and that is very helpful, I'll tell you now, because and when that happened, right, I quickly came out of the car, and it's my first UK accident. I've been driving since 1999. I was involved in a few back in Zimbabwe, and in the UK this was the first one, so I didn't really know what to do, how to behave, but I kept it civil. It was two young girls. It was a 3-car accident. The one behind me was hit by another car, which was a VW Polo. She hit the Audi and the Audi hit mine. But the most important thing is, on the Tesla, I have this setting here on here. I always use this setting every time I'm driving the car, so that whenever something happens or around, you know, someone is driven in a bad way, I just press that. You watch what happened. I press that and it will say saved. It will save the information on there straight away on what has happened. So you will find this camera on there on the dashboard, right? You just bring it down and you bring it down to your part. This has been helpful. It was very, very helpful, because before that, because I think they were thinking I just brake tested the girls and they hit me, but they didn't know that the car records everything. So I showed the video, and quickly they realized that it wasn't my fault. So really, really good thing. One of the good things we can say about Tesla now is the cameras that they have. They're absolutely very, very good to have, and any car, I'd advise anyone to have, you know, front and back cameras all the time, because insurances are quick to want both of you to be at fault, so that, you know, you can get hammered on your insurance premiums, and the other party as well will be hammered, so they'll be gaining. So as long as you are absolutely spot on what happened, you drive carefully. Everyone, just try to drive carefully. In the end of the day, the insurance companies, they did accept the liability for this, and it's all being sorted next week. The car, they'll take it in and get it all sorted. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I would definitely recommend the car. I've seen people say it's one of the safest cars. The quality is not up there with the Audis and the BMWs, but in terms of getting the impact, they do take the impact very well, and they appear to be very, very safe. So yeah, thank you for this quick video this week, and I'll see you on the next one.